abantwana bathi umntwana bambona umbali akalala ngendlini ene nawe awukho la ngithola i-call ngipanic ke angina airtime angazi mashop vele lapho ngiyazifikela indawo engayazi ngicela usisi wakhona ukuthi ngicela ngifonise une contract phone angifonise ke the first person engimfonele umntana omdala
Okay.
because I knew ukuthi mama uye esontweni ngifonele lo mdala ngithi umntwana uphi athi hayibo mama sina besicela ukuthi umntwana ukubi ngithi akukwazeki umntwana ngekho kimi ngipanic ke sifone ngifonele wonke umuntu vele oseduze guys umntwana ngakamboni guys umntwana mangibona ukuthi hayi nabo laba bathi bamthola umntwana ngimpost egroupini yasezonke izizwe forum lo muntu ukwazi babakhe wayisikoleni somntanami wayicela ukuthi bamphotocopyele wona lama copy ane number yakhe
Hayibo.
abantwana bami if usicala sikhuluma ngaye nje uyabona isetness ebusweni babantwana even if bake bakutshengise because they know ukuthi wena umama wakhe ufila more than bona bafila
Eish.
so mina vele ke kakhulu lo mntana omdala akafuni ukungibona ngikhala
Yama-factor na.
mangabe nje ngikhala vele astop ukuthi sicoce but kufanele sikhulume ukuthi sizizwa kanjani because every time ngiyazblame ngiyazonda la ngingahlangana naye ngalo if lizo affect umntanami I wish kube uthathe mina wangitshela ukuthi lo muntu lo umbulela umntanakho umrape lo wambulala cause manje usaba ukuvuma cause uyazi ukuthi
yini ezenzakala
ama like iminyaka sifana nokuthi like idile kajele
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Muraro and I'm your guest once again for the day. The purpose of this podcast is to amplify the voices of those that want to be heard. We also want to get a sense of the lessons that other people are getting so that we can also navigate our personal lives easier. I mean, from the beginning of this podcast, we've seen so many stories, we've heard so many tales told, we've learned so many lessons, and that comes as a result of your support, and we really appreciate that. We would like to plead with you once again to continue supporting us, continue pushing us forward. We're also almost at the end of season 1, and we're also going to be bringing amazing things through to you on season 2. Now, today's episode is for anyone who is a guardian. Today's episode is for anyone who oversees a young soul. Today's episode is for those of us that really care about the future of this country. We need to tune in. We need to bring our ears closer and listen to what's going on. At the end of this episode, we're going to wrap it up. We're going to, sum it up in terms of, coming to a, ground level to say that what actually is happening in our country, what really is going on, and what should we be doing to sort of curb this from an individual stance. Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change you want to see. So change starts from within. Change starts with you. So this is the episode for all of us that are parents, all of us that are brothers, older brothers, all of us that are guardians, all of us that care about each other. This is our episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's jump into it. Sawubona sis.
yebo
Kunjani?
ngiyaphila
Ngikhona. Mhlambe ngathi usisi ubani wakuphi?
igama lami nguNtomthini ngwakabhembe kodwa abantu bangazi ngolindiwe
Okay.
as a community nje la ngihlala khona ngazi ngolindiwe ngihlala ezonke izizwe
All right. Izonke izizwe ikuphi neGoli?
iSikatlehong
Isekatlehong. Okay. Mhlambe singathi ulindiwe ubani nje? Umuntu onjani?
ungumama nginabantwana abayi-3 2 boys 1 girl
Okay.
noma ngifriendly nje ngumama nginecare nawo wonke umuntu angisumuntu ngithanda ukukhuluma I'm talkative but angisumuntu othanda ukungena izinto ezingamfuni ngihlala nge-indoors mangingasebenzi nge-indoors.
Okay. Ngitshele ngokukhula kwakho ukuthi ukhulelephi la ukhule khona bekunjani so that the guests can get to know you better.
I grew up in Mpumalanga, eFeni, with my grandmother.
Okay.
Ubaba nomama bangishiya naye so ngahlala naye no grandmother wami omunye ngithiwa ukhokho.
Okay.
So bengihlala nabo nje ngikhule ngumntana oright kokwami still sisakhuluma namanje nogokwami. We had this relationship vele yami ukuthi he knows ukuthi mina ngumuntu okwata manje ophinda be right manje. So nje we used to share those izinto lezo. So namanje relationship yami naye isasenjalo ngobinjalo.
Okay.
But ukhokho wami yena washona ke.
All right.
But umuntu bengiclose naye vele uye ukhokho wami kakhulu. And uthile ugogo wami naye nginothisa ukuthi lo mntana unjani.
Okay.
Because yena bekangasinaki because we were 19 grandchildren eCharity. So we have besitre yamantombazane and laba bebabadala nakimi. I was the youngest intombazane so bekwamafana kuphela.
Okay.
So kukhambeka nganaki nalento ukuthi singabazukulu. The only person wayenginothisa ukhokho wami ukuthi yazi lo uyamthethisa manje akhohlwe manje uyilo mntana nje yabo. So nokhokho wami started ukunginothisa ukuthi lo uyathumeka lo uyakwata manje but iyaphela manje mayikhulunyiwe into yakhona iyaphela manje.
So 19 I'm still stuck kule 19.
Yeah, C19 but angithi we are not abantwana bomuntu oyi-1, we were cousins.
Okay.
Yeah,
in the same
yeah,
household.
In the same place.
Okay.
Ukuthi abantwana baba bomkhulu baka auntie auntie all those things yeah ezinjalo.
Oh nice. Efeni kuse site nase Emelo.
Site lase Emelo.
Okay.
Yeah, site
I think ngiyabona.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, maybe ngicela usubekeke ukuthi udaba lakho luthini, udaba lokuletha la namhlanje.
I had a relationship nomfana. It was an on and off relationship. Ngasi relationship yokuthi he used to ukuthi abuye sometimes athola ukuthi cause I relationship yami naye iqale makushona nginabantwana like nginomuntu engangihlala naye wangilobola saba nabantwana abayi3 then washona.
Okay.
Then the youngest child lo ogcina ugirl bekana 1 year 6 months makashona babakhe. So ngahlala ke I think umntana makanabo 4 years I found this guy.
Okay.
So saba on and relationship because bekasebenza kuma Red Ants. So besingana le relationship yokuthi straight ngoba naye sometimes bekana ukuthi uthuthu khona akekho ukhona akekho. So I relationship yami naye vele beyi ukuthi ngiyamthola nini bese last year abuye makabuya sithandane I think sithandane 3 months.
Okay.
Then ngathola umsebenzi mina.
Okay.
Mangithola umsebenzi wami vele it's hard labor ungafundanga vele ngikuthola umsebenzi right. So kumnandi lokuthi uthole lokho okuncane ukuthi ukhona ukodla abantwana. So ngasebenza lapho so sweet I think wabona ukuthi akasathola ispace zisakhe.
Okay.
Wathalana nenye intombazane khona lapho ezonke. Ngayizwa ngamahemhem bengakaze ngababona.
Okay.
So angisumuntu umuntu othanda uconfront into engayazi. I wait ukuthi umuntu angitshele lento leyo. So ngelinye ilanga ngamfonela ngimcela ukuthi cela angilethele ijacket because sekuyabanda. Ithwebha yabona ukuthi ifana ngitshele. Wangitshela ke ukuthi hayi yazi ngibone ungasangiphi isipite so.
Okay.
Yebo. So mina ngathi wena udecide ukuthi siyenze njani lento leyo. So yena waphelelwa airtime. So we end up singakhulumanga next.
Okay. Ngicela because I feel like his story it anchors a lot around this person. Angazi ukuthi ungaba comfortable na, it's at your discretion. Kodwa mina also nombukelele ekhaya ngingathanda ukuthi ngimazi kabanzi lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye. Mhlawumbe asibuyele emaqalweni usho kahle ukuthi muzabuye uhlangana nalo muntu lo othi uthandana naye. Benukuphi yini eyenza ukuthi wena hayi ngizohamba nobhuti la.
First time yami sahlangana naye. Ngangama nomngane wami nomngane bathi usofisa ngangama nomngane wami naye wayama nomngane wakhe. So bebaphuza nomngane wami bekaphuza same day yakhona. So mina I had iflu. So ngumuntu othanda ukunaka like umzimba wami if angikho right I don't do izinto ezongenzela ukuthi ngibe worse. So ngathi hayi angiphuzi namhlanje it was Sunday ngikhumbula kahle it was Sunday. Sihlangane naye masihlangana nabo athi like it was late I think it was 9 masihlangana nabo sibabuze ukuthi niyaphi ebusuku kanje because siyababona ukuthi bayojumpa to the place vele dangerous mawundlula kunesporo bathi kusemagagula lapha ya ku dangerous niyaphi at this time bathi hayi siya emagagula ngithi mina ningahambi mina nginasi space ningalala then ekseni nivuke nihambe kunokuthi nife uhanele imali we started ukwazana kanjalo.
Okay.
Ngambona ukuthi uright yena umngane wakhe bekakhuluma izinto like yabona umuntu ongathi akekho right ekhaya yahlala khuluma aphinda asiphikisa khuluma so azange ngimi-understand yena.
Okay.
So yena kushuthi wabona opportunity ukuthi yazi this lo muntu lo wesifazane right.
Okay.
So washo ukuthi uzoya emsebenzini wavuka vele ngabo 3 bekasebenza kuma Red Ants wavuka ngabo 3 wahamba wathi truck izomlanda somewhere so usekazobona ukuthi uzoyenza njani ngezinto zokuchange.
Okay.
Then wahamba ke samkhapha wahamba wahlala I think he spent 2 weeks angaveli uthe makavela in 3 weeks wavela wathi I want uzongishayela around emakagula bekahlala emakagula that time.
Okay.
So ngaya nalapho futhi ifriend yakhe bekafuna ukuthi silale nabo all those things into ezinakes yena azange avume.
Okay.
Yena wathi ngiyanikhapha ngibike itaxi they even balwa nalomuntu lo mngane wakhe lo balwa for that ukuthi akhange ukuthi ngibethe abantu la then wena sofuna ukuthi ulale nabo ngenkani uzobakhapha wasikhapha sigibeza itaxi sabuya.
Okay. So beka umuntu right nje
yena bonke kubone next bekumuntu right kakhulu ngifuna mama even beka right njema ngifuna mama uyahlonipha because even nomphakathi it's scary ukuthi tholakala ukuthi yini ayenzile kuyathusa wonke umuntu uthukile ukuthi uye lo muntu oyenzile because makabona umuntu omdala uyabingelela nomuntu omdala ngamthuma kuphi uyayilo iphathi yomuntu enjalo.
Okay. All right. And then sihambise ke ukuthi in your relationship nihambe naze nafika kuphi before lento yenzakala.
Wabuya last year, it was last year September.
Okay.
Makabuya anginamanga last year September. Wabuya wathi makabuya wathi lindwe mina ngifuna silungisa izinto angikhoni ukuthi ngiloko ngiphisiza ngiyabona ngiyahluleka. Then ngamtshela ukuthi ay mina senginomuntu ene si i-relationship yami nalomuntu akakabisiwe so angikwazi wena ngizokwenza njani uma ufuna ukubuya back.
Okay. So mega hamba sorry ukukhatha I just want to understand ukuthi ubeka hamba isikhathi esingakanani most of the time.
Would it happen ukuthi bekuwa yimo 6 months?
Okay.
It happen ukuthi sometimes yabona ipost ku Facebook end up siphikisana gcine vele singasakhulumisana abuye back futhi yena after maybe 6 months bekuyilento leyo nje.
Or abone post yakhe no
maybe abone mina mhlambe angithi I go nabangani maybe ngishuthe bekumuntu onesikhwele esiningi.
Okay.
Maybe abone mhlambe ngathola wena maybe somewhere ngishuthe nawe bese ngiyaposta ngithi enjoy myself it was bekumnandi.
Okay.
Leyo post leyo yiyo zoyenza ukuthi hayi Facebook ke nicabane ke so mina ngilo muntu ongakhona ukuthi ngirase mangibhala ne it's better if like maybe so besikhathi esiningi bothola ukuthi uyangibhalela and uyakhona ukubhala hayi ke angithuke ke angiposte ke afuna ukungigcwalisa bese vele ke mina ngiblog ukuthi ngingaziboni lezo zinto ngingabi nandaba ukuthi akayenze whatever.
Okay.
Yebo so bekuba ilento leyo impilo leyo bese ayiphinda ayibuyele naye ngibonile uburongo bami. I go back kuma conversation wethu then ngabona ngithi why trigger what's the inkinga yakhe hayi mina inkinga ngikuthanda kakhulu and I did understand leso sikhathi leso because bengimbona vele ukuthi yonke into ayenza i-friendly.
Yeah, so I'm curious about le ndaba yokuthi akenze ukuthi ube viral ngitshele ngaloko ukuthi bekezwenzani nje.
Beka post in my status yabona la ku Facebook kuma lona wami angene a post maybe angithuke
ku wall yakho.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wasted my time for this time into ezinjalo bo you're not good you're not awusumuntu otrustekayo all those things.
Okay.
So mina bengivele ngimblock ukuthi angasakhona ukungena
All right.
to my page ngamana ka poste ku Facebook yakhe, it's fine, I don't mind. So bengimblock ahlala maybe 6 months abuye. Makabuye hayi lindiwe mina ngihambile ngayo kuma conversation wethu, so ngibonile ukuthi ngiyabo, so ngangim-understand because ngangimbona kuwumuntu ofriendly, ngingamcabangeli anything bad, ngingamcabangeli futhi nento esinax.
Yeah, ne? And then, is that the only thing that you picked up about this person?
Okunye I pick up after incident.
Okay.
Cause sabuyelana ne, masibuyelana, then ngayomvakashela. There's a one accident washare nami ukuthi yazi sinesiyalwa no baba omncane wami.
Okay.
So I didn't know ukuthi balwelani, ngambuza ukuthi hayi ubaba omncane emdala wena you are young yini lengaka elwelayo. So angishare ukuthi hayi baba omncane yahle afune ngihlale la.
Okay.
Like ngathi babanga iplace and umuntu wakho uyaphila, ubaba wakho uyaphila. Ngithi mina and ubaba wakhe umuntu vele sweet, ongakhulumeli phezulu, onganamsindo noma thetha nje ukhuluma njengami. But uyathetha. So ngithi mina manje ubaba wakho uzoyenza njani because ibrother yakhe nawo umntana wakhe ufile ngathi nimfake phakathi. Mina ngim-advise lo ngithi ungahambi. Yabo, thola find a place
la uzohlala khona,
we uhlale khona, ubashiye la no brother wakho. Yabo, athaya ngeke ngize ngihambe, bebahlala balwa. There's an accident nje ngilele khona, wavuka uba omncane, I think it was 3:00, wanokha waphula like ibhaxa nomnyango ufaka idrad. I was ngaphakathi, ulwa ngaphandle yena, ulwa nomnyango, akali namuntu, ulwa nomnyango.
From nowhere?
Yeah, from nowhere.
Hayibo.
Wafaka idrada wavala, babangisana ngomnyango waze wawuphula umnyango like ihandle. So hayi mina ngimbuze ngithi nisalwelani, athi hayi mina ngimbizela amaphoyisa ubaba omncane. Ubaba omncane vele wangicishimela igesi. Bebalola lezo zinto lezo ukuthi ungicimela igesi because bekapheka i1. Beyangapheki napa ubaba omncane babakhe.
So nalapho bekunama issue nje manje
ukuthi ungicimela igesi, all those things.
Okay. And then ke asiqhubeke ke size before we get to the incident, I would like to know ukuthi at what point did this guy get to know your children? Uthatha isikhathi esingakanani between ukuhlangana naye nanokuthi azabone abantwana bakho nani?
Mina laba babafana ubaze masisaqala vele udate. Because lo ntombazane bekangekho, bekasemakhaya.
Okay.
I had ilo uaunt wami nje esayidini la kababami okane eNatal. So wathi ngoba you still young, I was 26 makushona baba labantwana.
Okay.
Because bengihlala naye. Wathi because you still young, lo mntana mncane usanida i-guardian nomama khakekho. So I think ithi ngithathe lo laba sebakhulile baye esikoleni bayakwazi ukuyidressa yenzani, uzobawashela, uzokhona ukwenzani ezinye izinto.
Okay.
So wamthatha I think umntana umaze he was so bekana 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, bekana 4 years. Bese like I think bese 6 months thandana.
Okay.
Mara bayanga kamazi ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi umjwayele. Uqale ukumjwayela last year. Yeah, last of last year.
Okay.
Yeah, ngo December because lapho we had family thing. So saya khona sahlala. So wamjwayela ukuthi ayiputempo.
Okay, so family thing
kagipo.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So saya masiya so nje wamjwayela lapho ukuthi ayiputempo. Naye normally makadlula ekhaya because khayikibo kunga I think kuphambili so anything afuna ukuyenza fana ndlule ekungasekhaya zonke maybe ufuna ukuya Sontonga mall or esemtuli fanebo so all those things so bekandlula afike maybe ashiye 10 rand na 10 rand imbali afike mama ungiphi 10 rand ungene la eJustin or mama ngihlangane naye la estradini because umntana udlala kuso status akithi vele mama ngihlangane naye la estradini ungiphi 10 rand ngiyambuza ukuthi wayengangena ngiyamtshela ukuthi bongekho okay sis yonke lento le nothi ukuthi akahambe naye by2 bengingakaze kwayenzeka lo ukuthi athi ayihambe naye ngiyekuphi kubengingakaze kwayenzeka
I think ke my next question would be ukuthi asingena odabeni ke usho ukuthi mhlawumbe yini ekuletha la namhlanje
into engiletha la namhlanje nge 29 March last year ngalahlekelwa umntwana yena umbali mangilahlekelwa umbali nge 29 Friday wangifonela yena mina bengingekho bengise Orange Farm because abantwana bamahlanu mama wangifonela wathi ukuphi ngathi ngise Orange Farm because we had a fight thina sithu ukuthi mina ngithi hayi mina ngisakufuni ngoba mina angikhona lahlo umntana abantu wena uyangena empilweni yami uphinde uphume so lo mntana abantu akangenzanga next and uphethe kahle so wena ngibuka ngisayibona into ekumele siyenze so yena bekalwela ukuthi ifanele ngikhiphe lo
alright
kusale yena sekayimisele sekhani yena decide ukuthi uzimisele so bese sinale inkinga leyo ukuthi angathi akasangitrust yabo ufuna ukuvalela ukuthi ngingakhona ukuya kuphi kulo muntu lo so isikhathi esiningi angifonela ukuphi on Friday le wayethi kimi ufuna ngispende naye ngathi hayi ngizobona if mama kahambanga because mama uyasonta if akahambanga mina kumele ngisale nabantwana if uhambile athi okay angifonele Friday ngithi hayi mina ngikho I lied kuye vele ngoba ngibhora ukuthi ngisizo uzoloka ngirasela because ngangihambe nalo muntu wami ingekho kibo bafike basilanda ngathi hayi kumalume ngizobuye maybe kusasa ngizobuya so they enjoy ukuhlala nami khabo umntwana lo so bathi hayi ngizobuyela Sunday ivele ke ifoni yami yayenze idori kushuthi it felt ukuthi kuzoba ne accident eyenzakalayo yangafuna ukucharge to any charge yacimela ngalonke Sunday ekseni mangivuka ngithi no ifoni yami man angikwazi fanele ngiunderstand ukuthi abantwana yonke lento mangithi ngiyacharge kancane kungena imessage lindiwe umntwana abantwana bathi umntwana bambona umbali akalala ngendlini ene nawe awukho la
asibuyele emuva kancane so mohamba uyaleka lo boyfriend wakho bushiya abantwana nobani
bebasenomama
okay basenomamako alright and then ufonelwa ubani
mina ngifonelwa one of cousin wabo boyfriend wami lengambe naye because kushuthi baye khabulo umfana lo bayobuza ukuthi akazanga nazo la umntwana
okay ngichazisele nje ngakuthi kwenzakaleni nje from the moment uthola icall
mangithola icall ngipanic ke angina airtime angazi mashop vele lapho ngiyasifikela indawo engayazi ngicela usisi wakhona ukuthi ngicela ngifonise une contract phone angifonise ke the first person engimfonela umntana omdala because I knew ukuthi mama uye esontweni angithi Good Friday baya esontweni so normally vele mama esontweni unokumshiya nabo because badala first born yami na 22 at that time lo munye una 18 so badala abantwana badala vele ngifonele lo mdala ngithi umntwana uphi athi hayibo mama sina besicanga ukuthi umntwana ukubi ngithi akukwazeki umntwana ngekho kimi kuleko hamba ufuna ubheka umntwana ebanganeni balaki kubangani bakhe noma la kaza kwenze ngithi hamba nombheka because into mayenzekile ucabanga into eningi uma umzali ukuthi maybe uya esontweni because uyathanda esontweni mhlawumbe ngoba umama amshiyile uya esontweni maybe usebanganini bathathene baye esontweni you don't know idayile ezivela nabantwana makaloko akhula awungeke uzi-understand so ucabanga into eningi uma umzali ngiphenike ke sifone ngifonele wonke umuntu vele oseduze guys umntwana ngakamboni guys umntwana mangibona ukuthi hayi nabo laba bathi abamthola umntwana ngimpost egroupini yasezonke izizwe forum guys ngilahlekelwe umntwana first thing vele abazali into abayicelayo waye ungamcheck banganini bakhe sibuye mangibuya bangishiye eduze kwaseChilas laba ngithi angisayinani le mina ngifuna ukuyobheka umntanami first thing engicabangayo ukuthi maybe usesontweni ezone 2 ngiphume ngidabula back khona ngishona ezone 2 mangifika ezone 2 lapho bathe esontweni lakhona bekho bahambile kanti unkululeko sekaye khayikibo khabo babakhe wayetshela abo-anbakhe nabo abo-anbakhe sebaphumile ngemoto
unkululeko ubani
ifirstborn yami umntanami lomdala sekahambile wayosho ukuthi hayibo umbali ulahlekile sicingana naye
maybe singakayi kude sorry ukukhatha nizongicolela nani kodwa ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi laba abasendlini laba abadala bamgcine nini
ngesaturday bekadlala bathi ufike wageza wagcoka wadlala bekadlala estradini lesami like it's akukho fa uma umile egedini uyambona la abadlalela khona
wena uhambe Friday
mina ngihambe Friday bona bamgcine Saturday late so bona bayazula abakangifoneli basazula cause basitshelana ukuthi bazothi bayangiphenikisa kanti umntwana ukhona so bazula naye lo bhuti lo bhuti uyofike bathi uyofikile labantwana abasha bathi ufike ngoba i-accident bathi yenzeke ngo-6:20 yena bathi ufike ngabo 7:30 wafike wathi hayibo uphumbali uthi la bacela khona ba realize ukuthi hayibo umali bekadlala lapha ngoba most of the time makadlala lapho unomgena khabo lo mntana loyo lapho bagijimele khona bona bayombheka ukuthi hayibo mbala ubona ukuthi bathi bafuna ukumthethisa phela ukuthi mbali sebusuku wena usuqaleni manje kwenza njani mabafika lapha athi hayimbali ufike wabizwa ubhuti Mpho since agcine simgcine lapho how
Mpho ilo ex
so abantwana phela laba abantwana basaba ukumbuza ukuthi hayibo ungani bathi ugcine kumntwana like bathi maybe umbali wambili le la ngibe ezone 3 khabo oyami baye lapho iwebhayile lo asend message shothi naye zamile ukufonela mina azange khona ukungithola leyo Saturday le because it was off until Sunday kuseni ifone iwebhayile ngizama ukuyilayita nyani sema ngizama ukuyilayita kwavela le message aphinda yacima so ngilike ukuthi mina ngingumuntu obambayo amanamba ngiyawazi amanamba omntanami ngekhanda ngiyazi amanamba kamama ngekhanda ngilo muntu lo even ID number zabo ngiyazazi so ngivele ngifone ngithi ngicela ungiboleke ifone angiboleke ifone ngifone sibuye masibuya ke sengiyazula ke sengiyamfuna umntwana then abantu bakankululeko bakambali bathi coma police station masifike police station sifike police station basitshela ukuthi abana van bacela ukuthi siphinde sibuye sihambe ke silinde lelo hour sibuye masibuye basithethise bathi kufanele umntwana ngabe sikhulume ekseni so ngichaze mina ukuthi mina bengingekho thina sazi ukuthi umntwana makalahlekile kuba yi-24 hours bathi ayikho lento leyo if umntwana kuthatha boma 6 hours ungamboni une-right ukuze police station so sathi thina besinganayo leyo information asikwazi lokho safike police station nabo baba namakhelesi wabo safike sahlala kwaze kwashabo 1 kwakhani kufika umuntu bathi standby ekumele ngizule naye sazula naye so masiloko sizula naye still abantwana laba badlala naye basho the same thing ukuthi umntwana umbali ubizwe Mpho uzomupha 2 rand ephasitshini
hayibo
how okay ubizwe Mpho bathi kimi sicela usipha amanamba kaMpho bebangakamfoneli saya khona ezama event bebangaya ngiyombopha bebayombuza naye ukuthi angiyoba siyafuna umntwana mhlawumbe naye angasho iwebhayile singayombheka kwenye indawo mhlawumbe mabasifika abaleke
hayibo ubaleka
ajump ifence because angithi asifihlanga vele sifike kubonakala ukuthi event amaphoyisa masifika abaleka jump ifence maka jump ifence mina kungene mina ngithola umngani wakhe ngithole bayaphuza bahleli newine ngithi mina ngitshela lo mfana ngithi yazi ngilahlekele umntwana so umntwana bathi ugcine nompho so umpho balekelana ngicela ngithi mina upho umpho athi hayi se shop ngithi hayibo ngimzula umuntu ojump ifence bese agcina avuma vele ukuthi ubalekile vele mangiceda nje masiqeda ubuya futhi epolice station aphinda ngifonele sengifonelwa uye manje why ungilethela amaphoyisa
yebo
why ngikulethela amaphoyisa yeah angithi uyazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngobaba omncane ngithi mina ngazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni mina ngazi ukuthi ngilwile nobaba omncane ubaba omncane ngeke athathe isikhathi eside kangaka ukungakubophisa if bayafuna ukukubophisa because ubaba omncane uyawathanda amaphoyisa ufana
okay
asayi mina ngibalekele lento leyo
lo mngane wakhe lo uthi ubalekelana
akachazi uthi akazi okay siphumeke alibafona yena lo mfana libuya ngifonela
umpho
kube I think it was 2:30 yeah beku 2:30 2:30 bathi ayisesicingile bonke labantu laba bathi abamazi the only people abamazi yilaba bathi ugcine nompho size sihambe semagagula khabo lo mfana sithola ukuthi kushuthi babakhe bekasasesontweni because uyasonta njengomama singamtholi naye sibuyeke masibuya sihlala ekseni ngivuke ngithi mina I had a cousin eseduzane nasezonke bathi setheater
okay
ngithi my younger sister vele ngikhule naye eMpumalanga
okay
so ngithi yazi maybe umntanami angaya lapho njengomama sengicabanga into eningi sengicinga yonke indawo ngiyeke mangifika kunokuthula sekhaya nokuthula time tasekhaya since agcina nawo umntana la akazeze la ngithi nami sokucakeka okungeletha la ngiyazi ukuthi angeke azizele la it's far ukuthi angazizela ayi1 la
beka neminyaka engaki
beka na 11
okay
yaka kayenzi futhi 11 because bekazoyenza ngoJune
okay
ngathi beka na 10 ngithi sifa ukuthi angafika lapho athi ayivele mntana ngithi mawulahlekela uzocabanga into eningi sihambe masihamba la endleleni bangifonele
ufonela bani
umpho
okay
police station umpho uvule le docket engiyivulile ubuyayivula wafunda yonke into after that makafika police station wathi mina ngisidakwa ngiyumama unganaka umntwana unganaka abantwana all those things atshela amaphoyisa
so amaphoyisa wamnikile idocket yakho wayifunda yona
yes
so kahle umpho sekekhuluma namaphoyisa wena ukho
yena angikho mina ngithi mina ngeke usisi wami mangisuka kusisi wami umntanami lo mdala uthi ufuna ukukhipha 350 yakhe seku halfway vele ne model because bekakhipha eshop
okay
so sesiya lapho kuleyo ndlela leyo makangifonela umpho angifonele athi ngani bathi bamtholile umntwana ngithi mina bamthole kuphi umntwana athi hayi bathi bamtholile umntwana waye ungilethela amaphoyisa why ungibetray
yebo
ngithi ngikubetray kanjani ngoba mina ngilahlekela umntwana bamtholile waye mina ngumama wakhe ngingazi ukuthi utholakele umntwana ngifonele uyiphoyisa leli bengikhuluma nalo masivula because angithi umntwana makalahlekile bavula imissing cala first besavule imissing
okay
so ngifonele loyo bhuti loyo ngithi bhuti naku man bathi lo bhuti lo uthi nimtholile umntwana so kuza kanjani athi hayi sisi uthola khona umntwana otholakele mara ongekho right ekhanda bese ngakhuluma ngaloyo baloko bayakhuluma police station umfonela police station balibe bayakhuluma bekune suitcase esele ebeyikithi bekashiye kithi yena balibe bayakhuluma ke nalamaphoyisa kanti lonke lento lokayenzo makali bangifonela uyahamba ucale khabo boyfriend yami wayefuna suitcase abayazi kahle ukuthi suitcase washiya ekhaya
inani
inempahla zakhe waqala khabo boyfriend yami wafika wakhuluma lento ayifunayo ukuthi vele sekangikwadisile epolice station mase kangifonela sekalapho angisakhona ukuyi-answer phone mina sengikwadile sengiyasheka because makacela ukulahleka umntana I had ukuthi ngathi ngizoshaywa i-stroke because it was shaking yonke indawo nala yonke iphathi yami vele bengingakho right. So umntana mathi hayi wangiphuca ifoni wathi no more awusam-anti manje lo muntu lo siye police station masuka la. Masifika police station sengiyabuza mina hayibo uphi lo muntu bekala bekakhuluma naye bamkhapha nokumkhapha
bamphelezeli
bafika ekhaya batshela umama ukuthi umntwana utholakele. Umama mgijima e-police station nomngani wami bathola mina e-police station ngithi mina yibo ngifonelwa umpho sesibuza lo sisi athi simkhaphile bekahle nalabo sisi la lo sisi ophoyisa athi ayukhashiwe ngithi mina nimkhapha kanjani umuntu kuwuyo solwayo ukuthi umntana uyamazi bathi ngithi mina ngifuna le phoyisa leli belikhuluma nani nithi ngidakiwe ngoba nithi ngimtholile umntwana ngidakiwe ngicela ninginikele umntana nami. Lo sisi abona ukuthi ngiza ngokuthi ngisenyalo avela amfihla athi sekachayisile ngibona ukuthi between if dawuye or lo umkhaphile angafuni ukuthi angene vele la police station phakathi athi makafika athi jikani nomlanda lo yamuntu la simlande babuye uchintshwane ngamagama kuRaselwane police station phakathi siraselana si3 yimi ilo mfana umngani wami kuRaselwane athi yena azange afike ngeSaturday umngane amathaya ngimbonile nomntana amathi ufikile mama
yena lompho uzile
athi uzile ene kimi uthi zange yena iSaturday zange afike zonke bayam uthi bayam frame makatshela mina uthi bayam frame ay okay ngenzeke yonke le incident ayisibuye ke ngihamba umngane amathaya ingcono siyemntwini yabo like I say sesifunile asazi ukuthi senza njani ingcono siyemntwini masifika emntwini athi umuntu wakho uyamazi umntana uthi uyakulaya akambulalanga
so niye kulabantu ababonayo
masiya ay ngibuye ngihlale athi angitshele lo baba athi mncenge yabo for a sake umntana wami ngithini ay ngimncenge but sengiyamsaba because it's scary ukuthi umuntu angathatha umntwana kumama wakhe and owesilisa ngithi ngitshela umngane wami ngimtshele ngithi sengiyamsaba lo muntu lona angazi mina ngiphikelwa bani like usenya akusekho easy ukuthi ngibe athi umngane amayizama for umntana wakho angifonela athi ngize sizokhuluma indaba yomntwana
ayibo
ukuthi simfuna kanjani umntwana ngithi okay ngiye mangifika singeneke la bese kahlala khona ngoba bekasahlala emakhakhulo bayasikahlala itsiyetsi singeneke masigena benginenkinga vele ukuthi angikhona ukuhlala phansi ngiyashake so mangihleli phansi ngiyacina inyawo so bengithanda ukuthi ngiyime like bese ngichubeke lokho ngishake ke so asinahlala phansi silwele ukuhlala phansi
hayibo
silo to the level ukuthi angitshele the way ngiyuseless ngakhona ngahamba ngayetshwaleni akazi ukuthi bengiyepha ngithi athi bengiyetshwaleni ngashiya umntwana khona manje umntwana angimazi ukuthi ukuphi
manje yikho kulungisa lawo seniyalungisa njenga
si-argue vele si-argue so mina ngenzeni mangiyalapho because bengimsaba I heard ukuthi ngithi abangani bami balibe bafona babe nebhayi balibe bangifonela just to check on me ukuthi ngi-right na so umntana mangifonela athi hayi mama buya mangibuya shusi dala sibonile yonke into esiyenzayo thina siyeza nale group usibonile the guy ungibonile ubone yonke into enyenza I think bekangistock or something I don't know mase sibuya ngibatshele laba ngithi yazi lo usibonile because ufune ukujika la akafunanga ukujika le la ningakhona
bekazi ukuthi nikuphi
ni hayi ke sihlala amalanganyana kube I think sihlale 4 days 4 days April WhatsApp athi ukuphi ngithi hayi ngikhaba umngani wami abona ukuthi akushusa I don't know ukuthi noma bekabona ukuthi akangizwa or anything angifonele Makangifonela athi ukuphi ngithi ngikasofi athi hayi relax. Yabo uzoba right. Kanti uGayi ula izonke.
Ulapha endaweni.
Afonela umntana udlala iludo. Alibafonela umntana angifonela. Asimamatshela ngiphahlukana nokungifonela ungifonela ngani?
Ufuna?
Ngingambuzi next naye umphungu izithulele. Andlule to that ex-girlfriend yakhe. Afika ayithuka andlula eMagagula.
Ndahlala khona.
Kababakhe ngithi sekathuthile kababakhe because babacabana ubaba omncane wakhe. Kahle ubaba omncane omgwazila kamshayanga but kimi ufike wathi umshayile. Ubaba omncane asakhona ukwenza next, asakhona ukukhuluma, asakhona ukwenza next. Mina ngizokwazi ukuthi ubaba omncane umgwazile mase kufuba bakhe. Because angithi mina ngisaya eMagagula. Akekho umuntu osongishirela izinto ukuthi hayi umpho uyafuneka la ukwazi ubabakhe. Shutha ebusuku ke eMagagula. Shutha ahlala khona ke bathi bebaphuza naye abangani bakhe. Then after leso sikhathinyana leso ngabo I remember kahle besiya esibhedlela thina eFoslorus sithi siyobheka because sibheka yonke indawo. Masifika esibhedlela sanamathisela saposta ama-posts namathisela. Sinamathisela ama-post nje umuntu lo uyenza ipost wafaka amanamba akhe wangafaka wami. Njoba athi sizolungisa ngimthola sekayenza ipost.
So
ufake inamba yakhe.
Ayibo.
Manje ngimbuza ungitshela ukuthi akatholakala ngithi wena ungithola kanjani? Bonke mina ngitholakala. Ke athi umngana maye siyeke sithatha isithombe lesi sisenze vele siyiposte yonke indawo sindlule zonke le indawo lesi sindlule sishonele. Masifika nje estradini emuva kwestradi sakithi. Qeda ukufika abobhuti. Labo bhuti laba mina ngithi kumngana nami why singaposti egroupini naseMagagula maybe someone obone something.
Yeah.
Masiqeda nje ukuyishare nje ipost siposta eMagagula senzela ukuthi laba abanganazo zonke izizwe forum bayibone. Masithi bayamposta kufune kumpho ubulala ubabakhe.
Hayibo.
I fainted there. Umngane wami ngithela ngamanzi. I don't remember izinto eziningi lapho ukuthi kwayenzakalani. The only thing engiremembayo nje ukuthi kwathiwa kufike eGayi bathi bambone ahamba nomntwana.
Ufika kuphi?
Kufike ekhaya azofuna mina because angithi mina ngiposta umntwana. So ngapho bulala ubabakhe same day ene bambone ahamba nomntwana.
But so kahle singizwisise kahle. Ubani obulala ubabakhe? Umpho. The guy ofike nomntana ubani?
Uyi.
Azofuna wena.
No, bathi uhamba nomntwana khona lapha ngithi njoba bengitshela ukuthi eMagagula mawuhamba uyakhona uzondlula ezonke. Yeah, uzondlula ezonke.
Okay.
Yeah, so bathi undlule ezonke. So sesakagijinyiswa ke. Vuke lapho ngimanzi sekugcwele amaphoyisa. Ithatha zonke amaphoyisa ama-CPF. Seyafunwa ke lo muntu manje. Baze bafike kwakhe bangamtholi.
Hey, yazi lento ishoyo. Ngifuna ukuthi ngiyibambe kahle. It's been a few months, a few days since umntana lahlekile. After that few days wena uthi ufike ubonakala ahamba nomntana.
Maqeda ukubulala babakhe bathi ubonakala ahamba nomntwana.
Okay.
Uye at the same day makaqeda ubulala ubabakhe. Thina I think bekwabo 11. Masithola lento leyo. Then masithi siyomfuna kushuthi bese kudala aqedile ukuyenza lento ayenzile yena sekatshintshe nokutshintsha because was supposed ukuthi abe negazi because wayemgwazile babakhe. Sekayafunwa ke bayafuna mabamfuna lo muntu lo ubona ukuthi ukwazi babakhe wathola opportunity okwenza yonke into lo muntu ukwazi babakhe wayesikoleni somntanami wayecela ukuthi bamphotocopele wona lama copy ane number yakhe.
Hayibo.
Wayesikoleni wayenza bamenzela ngithi bona bazi ukuthi umbali ulahlekile so bayasiza.
Okay.
They don't know yena uthi ubaba kaMbali makasho bamenzela because bayabona ukuthi mina vele ayikho into abangayikhuluma nami the way i-situation ambe ngakhona.
Yeah.
Bamenzele aphume. Makaphuma aye e-police station. Afika namathisele this post e-police station. Uqeda ukubulala babakho yafuneka at that time a post. Sekachintshile sekagqoka ukuyi.
Seka clean.
A post. Faka isithombe. Aphume angene estradini sakhe abombali. A post afika athole ugogo kaMbali. Ugogo kaMbali ngokukwata. Akhulume naye the way akhuluma ngakhona ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu ukuthi umzukulu wakhe. Akhulume esayidini la kababa kaMbali.
Okay.
Ubathola no-auntie lasibona yakhe baba uMbali. Bakhulume they don't know ukuthi lo muntu usekenzeni. Mabaqeda angimazi ukuthi after that washona because thina babemfuna eTS bamfuna emfuleni bamfuna emfuleni bamfuna bahamba nami ngemoto. Masibuya kuthiwa nange fire station. Uthole ithatha zonke.
Ithatha zonke i-security yini?
I think I'm a private police so. Athole ithatha zonke makathola ithatha zonke bamthathe ke because bekusekuna namaphoyisa vele fanele bamhandle kuphi kumaphoyisa.
Yeah.
So bamquestion ke hayi umntwana hayi akasho next. Aboshwe ke bathi ngimncenge still aseluka se-police station ngiye kuye. Mangikhuluma naye umntwana nje akayikhuluma. Yabo nje basikhuluma kanje ukuthi like i-conversation mangikhuluma nawe ngikubuza into ngithi into so uvela ukhuluma okunye always bekenza kanjalo.
Ayikho right musekhanda this.
Always bekenza kanjalo. Mangikhuluma naye angafuni ukukhuluma nami every time mangikhuluma ngaye. Shuthi ke aboshwe ke makabosha maybe uhlale 4 months on Facebook ezomunye umuntu.
Okay.
On Facebook ayijele ukuthi why uphuthe umuntu oright ejele. Ene akhohlwa ukuthi I know ukubhala kwakhe.
Okay.
Ngivele ngibone ukuthi uya. Kunama alphabets nangendlela esibhala ngayo ngithi ku Facebook engazi ukuthi okay lo uyi. Ngivele ngisho ngithi I know ukuthi uyi vele ukhuluma. Asayi bengicela ukukhuluma nawe ngithi okay. Still nalapho still nginale ngcondo ukuthi mhlawumbe uzothamba enhlizweni. Then angitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Khulume kube ukuthi siyakhuluma hayi ngimanye imbuza ngomntwana yangiroundisa hayi uNkulunkulu yabo hayi uzosiza sizomthola umntwana athi uyaframe. Ngimbuza ungaframe ngobani? Ene into ebuhlungu abantwana basho straight into right normally vele makahamba nature.
Uhamba nature. Inje njani le hamba nayo?
Brownish so. Inja yakhona. Hayi okay. Kuye angitshele futhi ukuthi uzophuma yena. This year.
Sekuphela isikhathi esingakanani manje
I think bekunya 11 months. I think it's 11 months because uphume una 2 months aphumile. 11 months akawenzanga unyaka. 11 months. Lokho siya ke court ke baloko uyazi court ama reminder abahlala bawenza abamaningi. Sometimes we mistake ama number nanani ukuthi bana katholwanga. Yabo. Shutha apply le bail. Maka apply le bail. Agcine bamphili bail. 5,000. Lo muntu una case ayi3 sebawahlanganisile.
Ubaba
omncane ubabakhe uMbali. Laba bomncane bacomplainela ukuthi akakhulumi. Shuthi bamlimaze ngakhona. So abana evidence ukuthi asho ukuthi hayi uyi ongilimazile.
Manje le ababakhe bayihlanganisa njani ukuthi uye vele obulala ubabakhe?
No uyivumile leyo.
Okay.
Leyo uyivumile. Washo like very statement because mina mangiyomncenga i-community cela ukuthi bamfake nami khulume naye ngamthola abhale statement sakhona. Leyo uyivumile le yemeka. Ngababakhe ukuthi even though singazi ukuthi conversation yayikuphi but masizwa abamuzwa bathi bebalwela indaba yomntanami
Okay.
ukuthi ubaba wakhe bekathi khipha umntana abantu ugogo wakhe bekazile kushuthi my mother azange angitshele wahamba wayakha bombo wayesho ukuthi yazi umntana kusolakala ukuthi uthatha umntana wami so so mina bengingazi umama wami webha lo baba sekamtshela ukuthi hayi ugwazi nobaba omncane wakhe so yazi ukuthi ifamily mangabe ninenkinga nigcina ni distance kungakhona ukushare izinto so mina ngangingazi umama wayeyazi ngangingazi next
eish
ngizofound out ama sekaboshwa ukuthi nobaba omncane ulimele usesibhedlela akakwazi ukukhuluma akakwazi ukwenza next mina ngazi ukuthi balwa because I knew ukuthi bebahlala balwa so angizange ngithathele ukuthi sekuno danger phakathi
kusho ukuthi abantu abadala bambonile lo mntana
kubaba bambonile so kubaba wayivuma vele icase yonke so kubaba omncane la ngavuma khona nakumbali so uBailey ungaphandle and at the time asejele bekunini February before azophuma I had umuntu WhatsAppayo because we posted angithi angihlelanga so siposte sengikhohlwe igama lalomuntu lo uposta abantu abalahlekile ku Facebook
okay
we tried naye ukuthi sicela support sicela usizo so kushuthi I think wathola lapha ama number because angithi ufaka ama number umuntu loyo so wathola lama number lo muntu loyo lo muntu lo wang Facebook wang WhatsApp so Saturday ekuseni as the guy wangibisela back wangitshela ukuthi lo muntu lo umbulela umntana wakho umrape lo wambulala cause manje usaba ukuvuma cause uyazi ukuthi
yini ezenzakala
ama like iminyaka ifana ukuthi like idile kajele sakhuluma so but understandanga noma uthunyelwa uye noma usifunela imali noma uyazi
nanokuthi ubani akasho
cause bekasifihla lo muntu lo bekenza sure ukuthi makhuluma namkhuluma la ku quiet khona masikhuluma ama records u quiet khona
wenza ama voice note
ayenza ama voice note ukuthi mina undoda ngihlala naye thina ejele mangibufikile like uya confessa izinto zenzile ukuzongena egroupini
okay
so uconfessile umntana wakho mina ngakutshela ukuthi umzimba usephi so sa end up asikhuluma kanti umphobe sekukujala gcina kungikhulumisa ithi asuka lapho makazongikhulumisa the guy wazi ukuthi ungikhulumisile wangitshela ukuthi how ngcono siyeke ngoba umuntu wakho usakufuna then yakuphelela lapho mangitshela amaphoyisa akekho nginakile ukuthi hayibo nginomuntu la lokangitshela ukuthi so ene uyambona ukuthi ufuna imali udesperate ufuna imali so we don't know asina like proof yokuthi iqiniso noma manga
bekafuna malini
no yena wayethi mina ngisho ukuthi ngizomnika malini so mina ngamtshela because ukuthi i-community but anyone ungakhipha umbali 5,000 bangamnika cash without ukuthi ini mangafika mphethe kanje umntwana bona nje they willing ukuthi bangisize yabo so ngamtshela kanjalo mina ukuthi yabona noma ngabe ufile noma ngabe uyaphila the only thing esisidingayo i-closure
yes ukuthi siyombeka
sazi mina nami ngazi ukuthi okay ngizodila umntwana ngamzala because unyamalala njengenalithi there's akuna clue akuna next the only clue abantwana bathi ugcina kale nompho phela after that ake coaching ngike ngambona like nje unyamalele ngathi angikaze ngaba nomntwana
Aisha sorry man umuntu ngicela ama Soviets so Aish
so lo muntu loyo vele wangibuyisa back to that so wang Facebook ake uguy lokho asejele so wathi ayisiyeke ngoba ulona so I felt ukuthi abayinakanga i case yami
okay Ish mekethi asiyeke ngoba umuntu wakho usakufuna
ukhuluma ngombo ukuthi asiyeke cause the only thing eyangenza ukuthi ngisola ukuthi ushuthi usejele it's because of ukuthi this guy wayeceda ukungifonela then this guy wafaka i-message wathi asiyeke cause umuntu wakho usakufuna.
So ngalesikhathi leso kwenzakala leyo nto umpho ungaphakathi babonke leje.
Yeah, the only thing engayicabanga nami mase ngihlanganisa ngathi kushuthi babonke.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for that, my sister.
So nje mangicela ukuthi ngicela investigate ubani ngicela so yazi into engithusa kakhulu ukuthi noma ucela ukuthi there's no way ukuthi umzali womuntu akazi khona into angayazi. I think affecta naye fanele abuzwe something but ngendlela kwenzeka ngayo but angeke baze bakhona ukumlona fanele kube yicourt ekhiphayo lokho ngoba yena uboshiwe. Understand uma investigate kanjani usalahlekile namanje ukuthi kanti investigate yini.
Le number le that guy bekakhuluma nawe
usasenayo
isasebenza
usasenayo cause last month beka-check ama status wami.
Okay, so isase active. Okay, eish. So umpho uphume nini?
I think it was March. Yeah, March ne? Yeah, it was March.
Between then and now awukake wakhuluma naye?
Hlanganile naye. Bengiye Oslo. Esasa.
Okay.
So bengihamba nomuntu. So bekafuna ukukhuluma nami so angifuna ukukhuluma naye. So waenda pangifonela vele. Uyaphi ngathi ngiye phosphorus athi hayi bengifuna ukubulisa in the guy yena ngendlela engakhona mina naye sajola se right noma akhuluma nami sise right.
Ona leyo ndlela yokuthi uzenza ukuthi uzizwe ngathi
yena kuye engqondweni if akhuluma nami si right like I don't know or I understand ukuthi mina ngifila kanjani manje ene ngapha ngiyamsaba umuntu ocapable ukuthi angabulala umuntu ngiyamsaba nami ngiyasaba ukuthi ngikhulume izinto bebanga trigger azongibulala. So nami fanele mangikhulume efonini ngibe calm but last time masikhuluma I couldn't hold myself vele nami ngumzali ngivele singamscreamela ke sa nje waqina lapho kungikhulumisa. That was the last time aqina kungikhulumisa. I think maybe lapha understand khona ukuthi ngilahlekelwe ngilimele kakhulu. Ngife ngihamba nje ngiyaphila kodwa ngifile. Because angikwazi ukukhulisa umntwana single parent.
Akhula bengaka.
Akhule azaba na 10 years ukusa ngimfuni.
Eish.
So nje isicimazile lento mama nje yena yo.
We are struggling ukho.
So nje yazi kunzima bengicela obonile. Noma ngabe umzimba ngisana ndaba. Iclosure
ukuthi sibe neclosure.
Abo put back nje abantwana bami. If usicala sikhuluma ngaye nje uyabona isetness ebusweni babantwana even if bake bakutshengise because they know ukuthi wena umama wakhe ufila more than bona bafila.
Eish.
So mina vele ke kakhulu lo mntana momdala akafuni ukungibona ngikhala.
Yama-factor naye.
Mangabe nje ngikhala uvele astop ukuthi sicoce but kufanele sikhulume. Ukuthi sizizwa kanjani. Because every time ngiyazblame ngiyazonda la ngingahlangana naye ngalo if lizo affect umntanami I wish ukuthathe mina. Umuntu akazi next
akanacala
akazi next. I wish ukuthi kuma nawathatha mina ke whatever yenze kimi amiyeke yena. Kusasekuningi bekakubhekene nayo ukuthi angakwenza.
Njengomntana nje omncane she still had a bright future.
Into futhi engizosubhlungu kakhulu bekadefa That's why ngisho ngithi if uyaphila la kakhona I wonder bamtreata kanjani because bekumntana okhalayo vele from ebuSwaneni umba nje into encane uyakhala into encane uyakhala so nje azi
amaphoyisa what's your notion uzizwa njani ngabo nangendlela handling le case ngakhona
as mina ngathini umthetho angiwazi that much but mina njengami ukubona abantu babophisa abantu I think iphoyisa uqala relationship nalo the day uvula case anginayo relationship mina nabantu abaphethe case yami normal ukuthi kuhlangana estradini normal ukuthi nokuthi angifonele ukuthi awukakezwane no even izinto ezenzeke court I have to ukuthi ngisifounda lekuthele mina ukuthi okay manje ngoba like la lengiswa icala kwathiwa fanele abantwana bathathwe bayo angazi bathi like I think ngathi into yo social worker so ukuthi before bazo baye court they have to ukuthi baba check ukuthi ba right all those things lezo zinto lezi zinjalo bayimisa ke case nalapho I had ukuthi mina ngisukumele ngiziyele court
uzifind out tell so abakakaze bakuthumela imessage in a court date or bakunotify ukuthi kwenzakala ini
yazi I had stress ngo November ngalahla phone bebangithumelela makhabe kuba sometimes ngalahla phone so ngababuza ngaya kulomuntu ophethe case yami ngathi kuye ngicela ungiphe ungifuna ukuchinja amanamba so that ngizokwazi ukuthi kwenzakala ngecase umntanami wangitshela ukuthi fanele ngipolice station last month bengise police station mangise police station ngafika ngathola ucommander so beba busy they bebangena like amashop nanani so it was busy vele same day yakhona so mara wangattend
okay
yeah wangattend yena wangiphi date so manje ngibuza ukuthi ngoba bengifuna ukuchinja amanamba ngibiniphe la manamba enginawo manje because ngalahla phone wangitshela ukuthi that thing supposed ukuthi yenziwe umuntu ophethe case yami but umuntu ophethe case yami ungitshela ukuthi ngiye police station
it's complicated
so manje angikhona ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakala ngecase angikhona ukuthola ama dates because normally ngine piece job enginokuya kuyo
okay
so ecourt ngendlela abangitshela ngayo ukuthi ha mama sizokubiza if sisiyakufuna sizokubhalela nencwadi to that piece job yakho bazokwazi ukuthi ngesikhathi siso uzobuse court so unga stress but ngoba ngumama ngithi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ifollow up ikuphi kwenzakalani so sometimes makuyimama sometimes mama uphuma sekane engasekakwatile sangasa akhohle ne date all those things nje because uhlangahlangene so kungcono mangabe bana manamba ngizokhona ukuthi ngazi ukuthi okay umama muyile okay lokho kuncane akuzwile even noma ngeke ngikunderstand sometimes ukuthi uthini but kushuthi mase kuza mina la kuzo understand khona icase ukuthi
kwenzakalani
so nje asina relationship ayazenzela nje ukuthi aphume kube yena lo mfana sangifonela ngaba ngazange
so wena wazi ukuthi uphumile ngoba uye seke kufonela manje the guy lo obeke
valelo mama
valelo
wafika abuya ecourt wathi bamuphe ibail 5,000 the same time bamuphe ibail azangabe nayo leyo mali ngathi wayene 2,000 and he besekazi ukuthi uzophuma
by the time bamkhulula he knew
yeah
ngiyakhumbula ngoba busho ukuthi ubeke kufonela kutshela ukuthi ngizophuma ni
then waphuma same day aphuma I notice amanamba njengoba ngisho ngithi mina incondo yami emanambeni wangifonela ngale namba ngithi inamba yakhe bese ngiyicimile vele ngasanayo wangifonela la manamba wakhe wakudala weba ngibona ukuthi noma ngathiwa lo muntu lo engimcabangayo wangifonela wathi ungaphandle
athi ungaphandle ekini
no uthi ukuthi ngaphandle
uphumile
angeke ezonke bangambulala unless afike ebusuku
hayi enye indaba yazi because this is not the first time we've covered istory somntana olahlekile, and I can see the pain in your eyes ukuthi le ndaba le ika-affecta kanjani. But what I can tell you ukuthi you need to be strong for the people that are still around you. Njengoba mukhuluma ngabantwana bakho, khuluma ngomama, these are all people that are fighting to protect you, and they sink even deeper when they see you uyabona. So the deeper they see you going, bayakulandela nabo. So kahle kahle into engayisho ukuthi wena usaseyithemba lapho. Into ebalulekile ukuthi wena kumele uhlale ethembeni, uqine. Ngiyazi ukuthi la ukhona manje kunzima, awuna closure, awuna peace, into enzakalayo, kodwa there is so much more that you have currently. There are so many more people abanendaba nawe nanokuthi kwenzakalani ngawe. Sometimes because of the pain esifelayo, we end up focusing so much on what's not there and we forget what we still have. So I think nje personally mukhuluma nje ngamagama wakho lo ukuthi abantwana bakho, umamakho, she's present as well. Uyabona? Banendaba. Today you came with your friend, your guardian angel. It's God just saying ukuthi I'm there for you. Uyabona? So into ekumele uyazi mangabe uwumzali sengikhuluma nawe nanomunye umuntu okulesimo kuso oke walahlekelwa, kumele uhlale wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unokukukhombisa nje ngendlela ezithize ukuthi angikulahlanga. Uyabona? Lento yenzakele kodwa it's not the end. Akuphelelanga lapho ngawe. Kusekunike kumele ukwenze. You still have your purpose emhlabeni. Mina ngithemba ukuthi umsebenzi wakho la emhlabeni musucedile ngawo. When you are done with your work, uNkulunkulu uyakuthatha uhambe uyobona okunye la akufuna khona. So the fact that you are still here still means ukuthi umsebenzi wakho usekhona. Uyabona? Usasenomsebenzi wokukhulisa abafana, usasenomsebenzi wokuthi unakekele umama ngoba umuntu omdala uyakudinga nawe. So through all that you're going through, just know ukuthi you still have a very strong purpose. And that goes for anyone who is a parent oke walahlekelwa. The fact that you are still alive, the fact that you are still breathing, regardless of your desires and wishes, is a true testament to the fact that God still sees you necessary. Uyabona? So mina personally ngiyabonga nje ukuthi you took your time out wazokhuluma, because I can see ukuthi it's a difficult experience for you. Kodwa khuluma unganciphisi ukukhuluma until ukhululeka. Uyabona? Kodwa mana ke uqinele laba bakhona. Mhlawumbe if there's anything that you would like to say to our viewers who are watching right now, ungathanda ukuthini kubona, mhlawumbe ungabaqonda nje ukhulume necamera lapha.
Ngicela usizo anyone noma into encane mhlawumbe ngalala, maybe kungakhuleka okuncane, because financially kube ngi-right bengizozama noma ama-private investigator, because amaphoyisa angiyishela umunye umuntu lento. Kubuhlungu kulala ungazi ukuthi umntana kudleni wenzani, ukuphi, or isitofu sakhe sidindilize kuphi. I wish guys ngikade abantwana bethu akusekho right emhlabeni. Mawune boyfriend ungayenzi ijwayele abantwana bakho kakhulu if akusubaba wabo. Kubi la ngaphandle, kubi. Ngifunde kabi mina. Ngafuna ngendodakazi yami eyodwa.
If possible, mama ngicela ubanike amanamba wakho ukuthi mangabe kunokuncane bangakhona ukuthumela khona, mhlawumbe kuyimadlana, or mangabe kune information abanayo mhlawumbe bangakuthola kuyo. le number uzobanika yona.
Okay, inamba yami ithi 075 134 7693. Ngicabanga yinamba kunayo leyo. Enye enginganipha yona just in case because ama network nani ngizonipha inamba ye cousin yami. Umuntu close nami useduze nami, it's 060 8026 810. Ngicabanga iphelele.
Siyabonga. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuyiqinisa kwakho nanokuthi uzinike ithuba lokuthi uzokhuluma ngalento eyenzakele nanoma ukuthi wazi ukuthi you are still at risk. Kodwa uyamulela umntana wakho, siyakubonga lokho.
Hayi khona ngiseriskini.
Yeah.
Vele ukuphuma kwalento nje. I have to be careful.
Yeah, no, I think uNkulunkulu nawe.
Bakwami fanele ngigade manje.
Yeah, uNkulunkulu nawe. Because
manje ngicukuluza izinye izinto.
Yeah. Even though we've got a saying. The saying says, "No yobona raho ayirumi." Which means inyoka ebonakele. I don't know if you have that again, but now that you've come out exposing this information, abantu sebayazi ukuthi should anything happen kumele siyobhekela kuphi. So I think hlala ethembeni, you are safe. uNkulunkulu now lento oyisabayo bekuzoba kudala yenzakele. You knew this person before any of this happened, and you would have conflicts with this person. You would be exposed to this person in private, but nothing happened. So the grace of God is upon you. I've got that utmost faith. Ukuthi ungasabi. Nanoma uphuma la ngomnyango hamba njengomuntu ukuthi uhamba noNkulunkulu. Ungabi nanokuthi khona into ezoshintsha. Uyabona? I don't believe that. Kodwa Mrs. Vala bengizothumela nje umlayezo to all our parents out there. I still see children walking, very, very young children walking on the road, on the street, unattended. School bag esalomntana silingana naye. That's how young the person is. You'd swear this person just learned to walk yesterday, but these children are walking unattended from school back to home. Ni kuphi nina njengabazali?
Yazi into enginotisile kithi ne into mangabe libuyijwayele ukuthi umntwana uba safe, you never think ukuthi umntana akho bangamthatha.
Yeah.
Because now I never thought angikaze ngacabanga ngaloko. And mina wes ukuthi it was Good Friday. And uthathwe Stratton sami, not ukuthi uthathwe far from Stratton sami. Akusi distance enkulu ndlulile izimidle 83.
Yeah. No, I think you're saying something that is quite practical into enzakala every day of our lives, but into ekumele siyibheke.
Sibe aware ukuthi bayathathwa abantwana.
Exactly. Wena ezumzali uyazi ukuthi that guy who drops off your child at your home knows ukuthi this child is going into the house alone and there's no adult to take care of this child. So now you've given the responsibility to a stranger to think on your behalf. I see these things happen a lot. Uyabona umuntu uthola ukuthi akana nendaba nokuthi umntana ukuphi kwenzakalani ngaye. It's no longer the time where we as parents need to be ignorant of our children's safety. Umntana akho mekedlala njengoba sezwile umama esho ukuthi you should know where your child is playing. The child should always have supervision at all times. You understand? You can say ukuthi no, it's impossible ukuthi mina ngizohlala ngigada umntana, then that's where people will have the opportunity. Uyabona?
So nje normally nje uyabona ukuthi it take 5 minutes ukuthi umntwana athathwe.
Yeah, 5 minutes uba seyenyamalele, no one knows ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngayo. So
because akekho umuntu omunye ozobheka if bamthatha la uthathwa umuntu amaziyo, angeke ngize ngibheke mina ukuthi hayi uhamba nobani, uzothi hayi ngimbonile uhambile.
Yeah.
If bekuna something wrong bekazokhala. Angithi we always say this. Abantwana abakhali. Abantwana bethu bahlakaniphile to the level vele ukuthi ujele ukuthi ubrave kanti letha amanye amalala.
No, and the unfortunate thing ukuthi abantu abasenza lezi zinto abantu abaduzane nathi, hence they are able to take these children bahambe nabo because these children see these faces every day. We as parents are the ones who expose these children to this risk.
Sibashare ukuthi nangu umuntu ngiyamazi, ngiyamtrust.
Exactly. Usuke ngamazi umntana, it's a stranger, but you bring them person in, ugcine sekemjwayele. So I think as parents, let's learn this lesson. As I close, I would like to appeal to you as a guardian, you as an elder within the community, you as a brother or sister who exists, be the voice of change. If you know ukuthi kunomntana or unattended, umntana ukuthi akanakekelwa, ozihambela yedwa, the parents don't seem to care. This is your opportunity to raise your voices loud and speak for those children, because you know akusena ngelosi ezophuma ezulwini ezoyenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Sekusele thina manje ukuthi sikhona ukunakekelana as a community so that we can stand up for each other. Let's take care of our children. Our children are our future. There are people who would love to have children. They would love to have children, but they just can't. And they dream of having children day in and day out, but it's just something that God has not given them. And those people have the utmost ability to care for those children, but they don't have that gift. And these children that we have, Tina, are a gift from God. So we're supposed to take care of them. Let's do what we can to take care of our children. I think without stretching it further, I'd just like to also thank you for staying with us till the end of this episode. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. From me, Mraro, with this, heavy message, I'd like to sign off and, bid you farewell. We'll catch you on the next episode. Siyabonga.